Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. I live in Seoul, South Korea. Today's topic is Lee Min-ho's fortune analysis. A great actor who doesn't need any more explanation. I analyzed Lee Min-ho's fortune. Please look forward to his big fortune, which is about to take him to the big stage. The letter referring to Lee Min-ho's self is a positive moral. The positive moral is often likened to the sea. The ocean is large in scale and has many changes, and there is a feature that really shows the insides. Lee Min-ho himself is the sea, but the letter green heart means the sun. His fortune had a wonderful view of the sun floating on the wide sea. In other words, the wide stage and the intense lighting is Lee Min-ho's fortune. And pink heart means popularity. His fortune structure is great, but there are two strong letters that mean popularity. He can't help but be unpopular. It's a wonderful fortune that can't help but be popular on the big stage. The letters marked with pink hearts correspond to spatial intelligence and mathematical intelligence, expressed as energy focusing. These mean value judgment, spatial perception, and computational ability. People with this structure know what is valuable and try to make themselves more valuable and recognized. He has a good perception of space, so he is good at golf or knows how to make great movements in acting. There will be better acting, right? And he always thinks about the results because he is aiming for good results. He works hard and excels in any activity because it has to be worthwhile. And this energy is all made up of fire energy. Lee Min-ho always has a burning passion. He's a very passionate man, unlike his calm image. Green hearts are the substrates of energy output. He expresses himself well because these are activities where energy comes directly from him. His artistic temperament comes from here. He is good at speaking, so he is sociable and quietly aims for external activities. On left side, Lee Min-ho's fortune is very good in composition, and above all, the flow of energy is excellent. It shows the flow of energy, gathering around value-oriented energy, focusing energy, good structure, good energy flow. Therefore, Lee Min-ho is treated as a precious person wherever he goes. And energy focusing means space, so he has no choice but to enter the big stage and enjoy popularity. On the right side, his professional role comes from a businessman's disposition. His activities are good trends that result in wealth and popularity. It's not a businessman who only sells things, even if his direct activities result in good results. There is a business element. It's a very good fortune. Today, I looked at the fortune of actor Lee Min-ho. His face was cool. His fortune was cool and big. I hope him continue to advance to the wider stage and develop. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.